Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's June 9th, Monday in the US time. Um, and this is our daily trade journal. So, in the end of the video, I'll go over what I think is going to happen tomorrow as well, and maybe a little bit further in the week. But things been a little bit off. Haven't been super consistent with these trade journals, but I'm still trading every day. It's just that I'm in Asia time, so day is night and night is day. So the timing has been a little bit off, and it's very hard to be able to fit everything into schedule and getting the time to sit down and do these trade journals and video reviews and whatnot. But I'll dig into it right now. So today was a pretty interesting day. Made pretty good money. Made about 1,800 for the day. And the initial plan going into the day was bearish. I was pretty bearish because we had market structure bearish signal at 9:30. But I missed the opportunity to short because I just wasn't available at that morning open. I mean, I was here, but my mind just wasn't at full capacity yet, so I just didn't take that short. So I just kind of waited, and I was looking to see if we can break over the 1 minute MOB here, but we didn't. We kind of broke it a little bit, but it wasn't like a confident break for me, so I didn't take that short here. And then later on, we just end up just tagging it, and it just went bullish instead, right? So over here we kind of tagged that bounce. Over here we tagged that bounce. So the show that was kind of strong. So I think I went in a little bit in this position, took a long here, pushed it back up, and then just kind of waited in this area to kind of short the resistance here. And these trades kind of played out where we just shorted this resistance here, 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 and here. That made money as well. 10:20, we had one of our first buy signals. What was that? Oh, that was around here. So if you took a buy signal, that was around 60.12. We climbed as high as 60.19, so about 7 points. So easy to get a 5 point scalp there if you push it in. And then by 11 a.m., market structure flipped bullish, which means was like, hey, you want to buy all the dips, right? So that was over here, 11 a.m., market structure flipped bullish. You want to buy this dip here. That came back down to 6005. So if you bought that dip, you could take it to 6015. That's a 10 point move before another move down. Essentially, you want to buy this dip again at 60.11. And then we push as high as 60.26. So that's about 15 point move. So really nice scalp there if you took it based on that structure change. And then at 117, what was that? 117 is somewhere around here. 117 is here. The sell signal is a little bit late actually. We got our first triple sell signal by 120. But that actually pushed against it. So we got a sell signal in this area, which means market makers saw a bunch off there and they want to go short. But they kind of pushed it up to here. So you were gonna squeeze, probably wouldn't have 60.15 squeeze to 60.26, 10 point squeeze up. So if you didn't have a 10 point stop loss, you would have gotten stopped out. Now, if you did have a 10 point stop loss, you could have made money back here. Or if you added your position on the top of the range here and shorted this resistance, easy money to be made, 5 to 10 point scalps there. 60.26 to 60.18 here. Over here is 60.07, 60.23, 26. This is 21 from 26. That's 5 points there. Very hard here, actually. This is really hard chop zone. We didn't get the relief until end of the day here. So you can kind of see how the market plays and how it works against you. There's a lot of manipulation there. And manipulation has been pretty heavy lately. So you just got to be careful on that. Where do we think it's going to go in the next few days? Let's take a look in that. Let me clean up this chart a little bit. All the drawings. So let's see, 10 minute, 30 minutes, pretty bullish still. 48 minutes bullish because it's above the moving averages here. The moving average has been curling up. Honestly, can't say we have a good read here. It's just very there's no clean read. It's pretty mixed data. On the daily, we closed pretty strong. Two strong bullish foundation candles after the doji here. So we're still pretty bullish on the daily, actually, based on those strong closes. 390 tells a different story. 195 is pretty bullish close. I would say, man, as long as we keep pushing up, we're pushing above these resistance, we're pretty bullish here. Um, there's no reason to be bearish unless we start losing some of the supports. So I would say if we go under 6,000, we're bearish. As long as we're above 6,000, bullish momentum continues, man. As you can see here on the 30-minute, they've been holding this 30-minute support pretty good today. 48-minute, we did have a nice pullback last Thursday, but Friday kind of scammed it and just ran away. So it's been pushing up. Yeah, we're just in the bullish trend up right now. So no reason to be bearish unless we lose 6,000. That's all I can say. I hope that helps. Good luck and have a great trading day, guys.